Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope all friends will be fine and good. May Allah bless you. So dear friends, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my previous videos. Also thanks to connected with me and supporting me. So guys, I am sharing with you most beautiful, unique and gorgeous designs of wolf haircut for women. These are most amazing and most attractive. If you want different ideas about your choices, then friends tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can watch easily and get ideas related to hairstyle and hair color ideas. Here are some wolf inspired haircut ideas. A stylish undercut with a wolf's face design shaped into the undercut area. Hairstyle with wolf themed patterns or colors tied into the hair. A long hairdo with a braided section resembling a wolf's tail. Embrace the grey wolf look with a silver or grey hair color. Create air-shaped hair tufts on the sides of your head to mimic wolf ears. Achieve a textured messy hairstyle resembling the wild and untamed look of wolf fur. Remember to consult with a professional stylist to bring your wolf-inspired haircut ideas to life. Dear friends, I hope you will love these beautiful ideas and designs of wolf haircut. If you want different ideas about your choices, then friends tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can watch easily and get ideas related to hairstyle. Creating wolf themed haircut designs can be unique and creative. Have a wolf silhouette shaved or etched into the back of your head. Get intricate wolf paw print patterns shaved into your hair. Incorporate the fierce eyes of a wolf into your hairstyle. Dear friends, please support my channel. Please like and share my video with your friends and family members. Get a detailed image of a full moon with a wolf silhouette in front of it. These designs can be customized to your preferences and done by a skilled barber or stylist who specialized in creative hair art. So please support my channel. Please like and share my video with your friends and family members. You know my all previous videos related to hairstyle, hair color ideas and hair aesthetic. A wolf haircut typically refers to a hairstyle that is inspired by the rugged and untamed look of wolf's fur on the wild appearance, often associated with wolves. It's a style that often includes longer textured hair with layers and a slightly messy or disheveled appearance. The idea is to mimic the natural, free-flowing look of a wolf's mane. So please support my channel, please like and share my video with your friends and family members. Layers help create volume and texture, making the wild and flowing nature of a wolf's fur. So please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to hairstyle, hair color ideas, hair aesthetic, haircuts for you. So lovely viewers, be connected with me. I will meet you in my next video, inshallah. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.